Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik and in this video I am going to share with you how to create this type of book mockups that you can use to create your A+ contents for your KDP low content books. You can see here this is a book mockup for mushroom coloring book. You can see this is the left page and this is the right page, and then there is a background and it looks pretty professional. And you can take this image and create A+ content for your coloring books or activity books or other low or no content books. This works for every book you publish on Amazon KDP, and this is really important because KDP has disabled the look inside feature for some type of books. In such a case, you need to create A+ content, and it helps a lot. I can show you another one. This is the book mockup for the same mushroom coloring book, and you can see the mockup is totally changed. And here I have another one. This is for a math workbook, and you can see it looks very professional. So in this video I am going to share with you how to create these type mockups with great ease. So let's get started. To create such type of mockups, you need to have a template, that is the mockup template. You can get these templates from Creative Fabrica. I have downloaded this template. This is opened book pages mockup, and you can have other templates as well. Like I have downloaded this second book mockup from Creative Fabrica as well. You can also use jVAQ&list. Go to jVAQ&list and search opened book mockup, and you will get a lot of mockups. What I found is that the instructions and the way of editing the mockups obtained from Creative Fabrica is great, and I was unable to edit these mockups obtained from jVAQ&list. So I will stick with Creative Fabrica to create these type of mockups. One thing I want to mention is that you cannot edit these mockup templates inside Affinity Designer or Affinity Photo. I have tried but failed. So you can edit these templates inside Adobe Photoshop or a free online program like Photopea. So let me show you how these templates look like. So once you download from Creative Fabrica, you will get zip file. Once you open the zip file, you will get this type of file, like this is open book pages, and you will receive a PSD file. So you need to go to photopea.com. You can see here photopea.com, and then go to the file and then go to open, and here you can open this PSD file. So it will open in a new tab or a new window. So you can see here it is opened inside photopea.com. Now the real thing is how to edit this mockup template. You need to go here on the layers panel. This is left page and this is right page. To edit these pages, you need to click on here on the left page here, then double click on this smart object where it says place your design. Just double click on it. A new window will open. You can see here this was our previous window and a new window has been opened. Now you can disable this one, and here you can place your own design. Like I am going to add my own coloring page. I will drag this page here onto the template like this, and then I will enable the second layer. Now just go to the file here and then click on the save smart object, or you can press Ctrl+S from your keyboard. Then once this is saved, just click on the close button here and you can see the page has been updated. Next you can repeat the same process with the second page, the right page. Just go here and double click on this smart object. It will open in a new window. You can place your design above this. I'm going to place my design above this image, like I am going to add this one. Just drag it here and it will be added on top of this. Now you can disable the second layer, then go to file and save smart object, and then click the cross button to close this smart object window. You can see both page has been updated and your markup is done. You can go here and change the background color if you want to. You cannot change the background image because it contains the mockup. However, you can change this color. Okay, let me show you how to do this. Go here and double click on it, and you can select a different color as per your likings, then click OK. In this way you can create beautiful looking mockups that you can use to create A+ content for your KDP low content books. In a few moments I am going to show you how to create A+ content for your KDP books using these graphics. All you need to do is go to file and then click on export as, then click on PNG. Let me change the color. before I'm going to change this one. This color was best. Just go to file and then export as PNG and then click on save. Make sure the quality is 100% and then click on the save button and then change its name, whatever you want to name it. Then click on save. Next, you can go to the canva.com and create a template and place these images inside that template. For the sake of this video, I am going to create a standard header image A+ content. The size of that specific A+ content is 970 into 600 pixels. Okay, then hit create design and it will create a blank document inside Canva, and here you can place your images and create A+ content for your KDP books. Like I am going to drag these mockups here, like I have just created this one, and just place it here, and you can enlarge this. Or you can place it here. So this would be your first standard header image A+ content, and then you can duplicate it and place your second one. This was our second one. Place it here. Just click on this and replace background, and it will fit inside the canvas. So once you are done with your A+ content, you can go here and click on the share button and then click on the download button here and select the PNG and then click download, and it will download as zip file for you, and you can rename those files and then upload to Amazon KDP. I'm going to name it as A+ standard header image. It will download a zip file. You can extract to folder and then access your files. Now this is done for you. A+ content for your KDP coloring books, activity books, or other low or no content books, and these images look very great. So I will leave the links to the PSD files or mockup files in the description below. You can check them out, and if you have a Creative Fabrica subscription, then it is wonderful. You can download all these templates for free. As I mentioned earlier in this video, I am using these two templates. Open book pages mockup PSD, show you the other file. You can also use this one. It is best for creating mockups for coloring books. This one, you can also download this one, and it will work best for your coloring books. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and don't forget to watch my next video. Inside that video, I have shown how to create designer account on Creative Fabrica and earn passive income. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.